What's up guys, welcome back to Genius Tech, and in today's video we are going to talk about the next gen consoles. In today's video I am not going to compare both of these consoles as they are respectively good in their own categories. Now coming to these consoles, it has been 6 years since the release of the next gen consoles as PS4 and Xbox One, which are released in 2013. But in between, some other consoles also launched by Microsoft and Sony as Xbox One S, Xbox One X, PS4 Slim and PS4 Pro with minor graphical improvements. But this time in 2020 they are coming with a bang. First of all, let's take a look at the specifications of PS5, PS4 Pro and PS4. So basically, the PS4 has a CPU of 1.6 GHz 8-core AMD Jaguar and a GPU of 1.84 teraflops 18 control units at 800 MHz. The GPU architecture which is in PS4 is AMD Radeon and it has a memory of 8GB GDDR5. The memory bandwidth is about 176 GB per second and the internal storage is about 500 GB or 1 TB HDD. The specifications of PS4 are still good for the price, but they are outdated. So later in 2016, Sony released the PS4 Pro. The specifications of PS4 Pro are: the CPU contains 2.1 GHz of 8-core AMD Jaguar. The GPU is about 4.2 teraflops, which has 36 control units at 911 MHz. The GPU architecture is made by the same AMD Radeon and the memory contains 8GB of GDDR5 plus 1GB DDR3 and the memory bandwidth of about 217 GB per second, and it has a internal storage of 1 TB. Overall, the PS4 Pro is also a very good console, which is some slight graphical improvement than the PS4. So now coming to the specs of PS5, the CPU is of 8 Zen 2 cores at 3.5 GHz, which is of variable frequency, and the GPU is about 10.28 teraflops 36 control units at 2.23 GHz, which is also a variable frequency. And the GPU architecture is custom RDNA 2 and the memory is about 16GB GDDR6 at 256 bit and the memory bandwidth is about 448 GB per second and the internal storage is a custom 825 GB SSD. As you can clearly see the difference between the PS5 and the PS4 Pro, there's a huge difference between the processor, the read and write speeds, and also the SSD is used instead of HDD. I have to specially mention the PS5's DualSense controller as it contains adaptive triggers, USB port, motion sensor and built-in mic and headset jack, as it is overall the better controller than the DualShock controller of PS4. Now coming to the Xbox One X specs, it has a CPU of 8-core 2.3 GHz custom AMD and it has a GPU of 6 teraflops of 1172 MHz and it has a RAM of 12GB GDDR5 and it has a frame rate of up to 60 FPS and the resolution is up to 4K. It has a HD Blu-ray disc drive and storage of 1 TB HDD. The Xbox One X is much more powerful than the PS4 Pro as it runs on 60 FPS and also it has a GPU of about 6 teraflops at 1172 MHz. Last but not least, the Xbox Series X console comes with a CPU of 8-core 3.8 or 3.6 GHz with a simultaneous multithreading at a custom AMD 7nm and a GPU of 12 teraflops of 1.825 GHz which is locked, and it comes with a RAM of 16GB DDR6 and it has a FPS of about 120 FPS and packs up the resolution up to 8K. It comes with a HD Blu-ray disc drive and it has a storage space of 1 TB NVMe SSD. I think both of these consoles are game changers in the market and it's all about the pricing of these consoles. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We will like to make much more videos like this, and thank you and have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe, guys.